welcome back. Starting with things in now to my micro workshop. Been a few changes. Actually got a wood rack mounted up on the side. And start a few little projects. And some bit holders. And right now as I'm moving things in here, I'm running out of room quickly. So it's time to build some cabinets. I want to put a cabinet on the back wall there, just to hold some little tools and bits and pieces. And as well, I'll probably put some shelf either above the door, which I've seen on somebody else did one of their videos, for holding the paints and glues and whatnot. Well, let's get started. Okay, the first part is the top and the bottom of the cabinet. Table saw is all set up here, ready to go, and let's cut away. fast forward my cabinet project. I missed the video for most of it, but here it is mounted on the wall. Got a face frame built for it and a couple shelves put on it there. All I gotta do is build the doors at a future time. So now I can start organizing and clean up some of this mess that's piling up. Well, let's see how it looks after. Hey, getting nice and organized now. Starting to come together. Got some shelves here for miscellaneous and extra clamps, which I haven't built yet. And trying to get the shelves filled up with all my bits and pieces. Just gotta do probably more shelving here. Probably put some hooks behind the scroll saw for blades and miscellaneous things. And behind the router table, probably hang all my router bits. And my drill, or my bandsaw, not much I can do with that. And my drill press, well, I started doing the bits up here. Probably a couple more cleats across there for normal drill bits and miscellaneous cutting parts. And get my roto tools set up with all its cutting bits and polishers and what have you. It's coming together. All I need to do now is set up a stand for my iPad here so I can actually start recording some projects. Complete ones, not just partial projects. Well, stay tuned and please subscribe. Thank you.